So how'd you cook a steak bake, Phil, in a garage?
On today's Le Bistro de Garage, just a little heat gun action. Woo! Woo! That's hot. That's a hot boy. Taste test. Taste test. It's like half hot and half cold.
It is a pie. It's quite well insulated. Heat gun paste.
It's a little bit smoked with this laminated effect.
Pie on the board.
That's not bad. That's much better than just cold. Made a little repair piece for that bottom bit.
Any
I can
ideas?
kind of see it from here. Like a relief cut in it. Still needs trimming. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. So yeah, a little piece like that. Something. Try and weld her in. Still access from the top for treatings and sealings. But yeah, alright, we'll come back to it in a minute. Spent 40 minutes on drilling these holes already and chiseling this rubbish, and it's just still in there, but it's coming. On today's episode of CrustyBoy.com, I took her off. This was way too much effort, and I didn't like doing it. But I'm in there.
Looks like your car's just come back from
Okay,
the war zone.
this is made to fail, so we're not gonna make it like they made
Any
it.
ideas?
I'm just gonna make it 50 times stronger and 50 times simpler. This doesn't matter. This is going to be covered by said wing. Thus, this doesn't have to be this weird shape. I'm just gonna plate this whole thing. Obviously clean it up. Obviously cut all the crust out. Cut there.
Add some
Cut there.
champagne tube.
Get a flat plate, put it on, and then I'm gonna gusset it with just tubes that are just across here that are just strong, and then I can tie it in with the strut tower, and the strut brace will. Race car, bro. Race car science, bro. What you got? What you got? How many cars you got? I got half a crusty boy.
Any ideas?
What you doing there, Phil?
We have the latest in NASA space age materials, the old cardboard fibre. I've just made this up a little bit to get an idea of what I'm planning to do. I've been hammering on this edge here to flatten it out, so then just this edge meets with this edge meets
Any
with this
ideas?
edge in one piece using thicker metal. And the way I'm going to weld it is going to be slightly different than how it was from the factory, because that's not brilliant. So we're going to do it better. So that's going to get welded there. This is going to get hammered down and maybe cut down a little bit further. So this is a nice actual drainage, because the way they've done it, it's not really that great, especially with that strengthening piece. On this side from the inside, so it's going to get welded along here and along here. All of that is going to be cleaned up and hammered out flat.
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad out flat. This is gonna be Muhammad out. And then on the inside, which is even better, this lip is gonna get cut off because it's rusty, and I'm literally just gonna weld it this again tight to this cardboard fiber material we have here. Cut this lip off, make sure it's all nice and touchy, and hammer it from the other side. Weld it all along here,
Any ideas?
all along there. And then fiberglass filler all the welds, paint We've painted them, primer them, painted them up, colour up, everything. And make up maybe not even just one, but 2 gusset pieces made of some sort of pipe or some sort of strong boy.
Even if
This is going to be 10 times stronger than it was from the factory. There is going to be less chance of water getting in between panels because there isn't going to be any panels because it's just going to be one big boy. Everything is just going to be one, so there isn't going to be any leakages.
everything but welded.
I want to repair this, but separately. I'm going to do this as a separate little repair here. I'm going to cut this out all nicely, hammer it out nice and straight, weld in a new little piece here, and then work off of that. So that's my step 1. Clean up and tidy up there, weld in a little fixie boy here,
Any ideas?
and then get the cardboard fibre on the boy. We're going. Yo boy is going on a little road trip, going to get a door because our pile of stuff is looking kind of slim. We want to put some more stuff in our stuff. We love piles of stuff. Yeah, let's go. Get to the place and it's an absolute party here. Getting a little shell cut, freshy door. This bad boy is wicked. Always wanted one of these vans.
Any ideas?
Pretty sweet fitment for an old car. That is what dreams are made of, my friend.
And now everyone seems to want these routes, and especially on Mark IIs.
They look so cool on Mark IIs, I think. It's got that like old school rally look to it. Oh, nice and fresh in here. Oh mate, very cool, very cool. Probably a little bit too excited about my new passenger. Freshy McFresh boy over here. Got myself a little shell cut as well for the floor. Happy days. Let's get home. Hello. Hello. Go on, give me your 10-second review on the boy. You've just done an unbelievable amount of stuff again. That corner done. Just a tiny little piece.
Just this bit, and weren't entering that. And this bit in here, you can see it from the inside.
Did you cut it from the back as well?
Yeah. So it's
Oh, compressor. Shut up.
and then
Look at that. That's
And
nice.
then put it
That
back again.
is good.
Whereas this, I just cut the top of it and cut this bit, so that
Let me
flap
give
at the
him a
top
little
too.
Was I long that up a bit? That
Get
is.
that back in place.
But that looks good, mate.
It's alright. It's hidden, isn't it?
Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Mega progress, did you again? As per usual. Had to like get my bearings. Forgot what the hell I was even doing with all of this. I'm gonna leave this alone
Any
for a
ideas?
second because I picked up this little shell cut. I'm just gonna try and weld this in. Need to give this bit a clean, I think. I just think it's really cool, the piece of this car that got wrecked and got sent to the scrap, but a little piece of it is going to live on and help me to fix my car up. So yeah, that's the bit. But yeah, I just think it's really cool that it's just another piece of a car in this car, and it's going to live on hopefully in some sort of car spirit form, or God knows. But I need to even out the gaps, clean it all up. I'm just gonna wire everything underneath of the car and the piece. Next thing you should see is hopefully just a time lapse of welding. Get it done. That's it. Got the bit in situ, looking something like this. That's not bad.
Any ideas?
There's a lot of faffing around. Give it another clean, weld it in, do the whole the usual bit by bit. It's like some God knows what o'clock, some ridiculous o'clock I've got work in the morning, but that's all welded up. I'm quite happy with it, pretty decent. Potato looking welds, of course, as per usual, but if we look underneath, the penetration is pretty decent, if I may say so myself. Oh, seems good and strong. I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, just gonna spray some of this shit on there so it doesn't look rust overnight. I'll clean that up underneath as well. Yeah, gonna come back tomorrow, grind it down. Not too much, because this is a non-visual bit, it just needs to be strong, so yeah. Wicked, man. Happy. Okay, so, floor's welded in. Some zinc primer on it. I'll show you the underneath. I have done this. This is probably a little bit overkill, but this is fiberglass filler. I went over all the welds, sealed them off. There's a plate here that gives this part strength, like where the seat actually mounts to. I went around the edge of this plate with this filler as well and like shoved it in there just to seal it all off. For now, I'm just gonna leave it alone. All of this floor is gonna get reworked once everything is finished. So that's all good for now. And yeah, happy days. One more little thing. Next thing, gonna get back to this mess and figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Yeah, good stuff.